In today's video, we explore the best budget drones, perfect for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts looking for great value. Discover our top picks, featuring impressive features like HD cameras, extended flight times, and user-friendly controls, all without breaking the bank. Whether you're capturing stunning aerial footage or simply enjoying a fun flying experience, these budget-friendly options offer excellent performance and reliability. Join us as we dive into the best affordable drones on the market. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis on our website, AllAboutTheBEST.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future update. Let's get started with the list. Number 5. DJI Neo, our pick for best mini budget drone. Introducing the Neo, a remarkably compact drone that is nearly as small as your palm. Well, unless your hands are quite large. At first glance, it might look more like a toy, but don't be fooled. The Neo packs a punch as one of the most portable drones on the market. Weighing in at just 135 grams, it's lighter than DJI's Mini series and even the Mavic 3 Pro, making it incredibly easy to take anywhere. To put it in perspective, it's 90 grams lighter than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. What sets the Neo apart is its user-friendly features and impressive autonomous flight modes, allowing you to capture breathtaking footage without fussing with a controller. Ideal for content creators on Instagram or TikTok, the Neo reaches unique angles that larger drones simply can't access. And the best part? The Neo offers high-quality 4K video at an unbeatable price from a trusted brand. Whether you opt for the basic kit or the combo pack with extra batteries and a charger, the Neo is not just a gadget, it's your ticket to capturing stunning moments and elevating your creative projects. Get ready to explore. Number 4. Potensic Atom SE, our pick for best budget drone with high-end features. X8. I recently had the opportunity to test the Potensic Atom SE, and I must say, it's an impressive drone that stands out in the competitive market. While it can hold its own against major brands, there is one significant trade-off to consider. It lacks a gimbal for camera stabilization. However, if you're willing to invest a bit more, Potensic's Atom, without the SE, offers this feature. It's important to note that many budget-friendly drones tackle vibration in a similar way, relying on their designed to dampen vibrations. The Atom SE goes a step further with electronic image stabilization, which enhances footage quality. So while it may not rival the video quality of DJI drones or its more expensive sibling, it still delivers superb performance for its price range. For many users, the Atom SE presents an excellent choice. There's plenty of fun to be had flying this drone, and it can capture shareable content that you'll love showing off. Plus, the controller and software feel high quality and user-friendly, making the flying experience enjoyable and accessible, even for beginners. Overall, if you're looking for a solid drone that balances affordability with quality, the Potensic Atom SE is definitely worth considering. Still looking for the perfect budget drones to suit your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. DJI Mini 3, our pick for best 4K budget drone. Introducing the DJI Mini 3, the perfect drone for aspiring pilots who are ready to elevate their aerial photography without jumping to the more advanced and pricier Mini 4 Pro. This compact drone boasts an impressive camera that captures stunning 4K 30 video with an HDR finish, all while allowing you to shoot in both vertical and landscape orientations. Plus, with an upward tilt of 60 degrees, you can get creative with your shots. Photographers will appreciate the 12 megapixel capabilities, whether shooting in JPG or raw DNG, and the f1.7 lens, which excels during those magical dawn and dusk moments. Safety is prioritized with features like GPS, Find My Drone, and Return to Home, and thanks to a lightweight design of just 249 grams. Creators looking to showcase their adventures on platforms like TikTok and YouTube will love the Mini 3's ability to stream live video directly to a smartphone app, ensuring your audience feels engaged with every flight. While the impressive 38-minute flight time is a standout feature, we do wish it included obstacle detection. If you're a licensed pilot planning to use the Mini 3 for professional work, don't forget to grab the extended life battery, which is essential for remote ID compliance. Fly smart and capture breathtaking moments with the DJI Mini 3. Number 2. DJI Flip RCN3, our pick for best budget cinema drone. Introducing the DJI Flip, a fantastic option for those new to drone flying and anyone passionate about aerial photography. Weighing in at just 249 grams, this little wonder bypasses the need for FAA registration, making it hassle-free for first-time pilots. Safety is a priority with the Flip, featuring built-in propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors that ensure a smooth and secure flying experience. The Flip is incredibly user-friendly. Its basic setup setup includes a remote control, but you can also fly it using a smartphone app or the intuitive controls right on the drone. And let's not forget about the camera. The Flip delivers stunning photo quality that rivals flagship smartphones, capturing vibrant 4K 60 video and impressive stills at your choice of 12 megapixels or 48 megapixels. Whether you're looking to take share-worthy images for social media or create eye-catching videos for YouTube, the Flip will exceed your expectations. It's designed with first-time drone owners in mind, providing ease of use, safety features, and top-notch picture quality. While more experienced pilots may seek drones with advanced features like remote ID, such as the Mini 3 or Mini 4 Pro, the Flip offers excellent value for recreational flying. So, if you're ready to embark on your drone journey, the DJI Flip is here to help you capture the sky, embrace the adventure, and let your creativity soar. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. DJI Mini 2 SE, our pick for best budget drone overall. The DJI Mini 2 SE is an excellent entry-level drone that balances affordability with impressive features. While you might associate DJI with high-end broadcast equipment, the Mini 2 SE stands out as a budget-friendly option that delivers fantastic performance without breaking the bank. If you're considering a slightly higher investment, the Mini 4K offers even more capabilities, but many users find that the Mini 2 SE more than meets their needs. This drone provides remarkable value with its 3-axis stabilized gimbal, producing smooth cinematic quality 2.7K video. Plus, the upgraded remote controller connects to your phone via cable, ensuring minimal delay and feedback, perfect for capturing those stunning shots with confidence. One of the standout improvements of the Mini 2 SE is its enhanced radio control range, addressing previous limitations of the Mini SE model. This means you'll enjoy a more reliable connection, significantly reducing the risk of control or video dropouts when flying. Equipped with GPS for automatic hovering and return-to-home functionality, along with user-friendly quick-shot modes, the Mini 2 SE makes aerial photography effortless. It also features gentle landing sensors and manages to stay just under registration weight limits, ideal for those who prefer to skip the paperwork. What truly excites us is DJI's thoughtful approach to photography, including functions like RAW and exposure bracketing, as well as various panorama options. While the 2.7K video is exceptional for most casual users, for those needing true 4K quality, the DJI Mini 3 is worth considering. So, that wraps up our list of the best budget drones. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which budget drones you like the most. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.